Welcome, in front of me is a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel, expand it, and find the battery. So for me it's right over here. And when you tap on it, it will give you this checkbox right here, battery saver. So all you need to do is enable it. It does this weird thing where it turns your bar at the bottom red and also your status bar red, just so you're aware that you're right now in power saving mode. And you do want to know that you're in power saving mode, because once power saving mode is enabled, it does disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data after a period of inactivity. So when you lock the device and leave it like that for a couple minutes, it will disconnect from network, meaning you won't be getting any kind of updates that will require internet connection till you interact with the device, until you unlock it once more. And the notifications that you're in power saving mode could have been done a little bit better than the blasting red color on top and bottom of it, but at least you know. Now once you're done with this power saving mode, you can go back to the toggle and turn it off whenever you're done with it. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.